What's up, brick builders? Today's build is Monster. This is set number 40104. Year it came out was 2014 and age group 6+. Comes with a piece count of 36. Hello folks, Sean from BRIT'N Bricks. Welcome to another build video. A very cool little, they're getting quite big, monster build. Now the monster represents or resembles, shall we say, Frankenstein's monster. So yes, people are probably going to say that's not monster, that's Frankenstein, but actually it was known as monster as well. A cool build. Let's do it. Let's go. How cool is this? How cool is it? It looks so cool. You can see it's quite a size as well. Very basic, but very cool. Lots of bricks and stuff like that. But my favorite part, I have to say, is the way they staggered the two jumper plates here to give a nice finish on the shoulders once you've popped the plate across the two jumper plates. You can see it's got this nice smooth finish on the side there. I think that is really, really good. Yeah, what's the word I'm looking for, folks? The design. Yeah. Oh gosh. Yeah. So yes, it's very good. I can't think. Anyway, then we got his little green hands there because we got a green face. We got these really cool silver, flat silver. They're not actually flat silver, are they? Metallic silver. These are metallic silver. They're not chrome silver, but these are metallic silver studs as well. Building mechanics. That's what I was trying to think of. I think, yes, this is superb. Absolutely superb. And for a monthly mini model build with that amount of piece, with this piece count, it's really, really cool. A nice little piece for display. The only thing is that this plate is offset. Now, I don't think there's 4x5 plates or anything like that. You probably could make him wider. But I'm not sure if this would work then. Yeah. So having it offset, yeah, it is a little bit. It would get to somebody who has OCD or something like that and go, no, that needs to go across. But then, yeah. But other than that, I think it's a great build. I went on a little bit there. Sorry about that. But you can see it's quite a decent size as well. It is really cool. It's really, really cool. Folks, if you want to see some more content like this and you want to, start again. If you want to see more content like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share amongst your friends and family and anybody else who you think would like to see all the mistakes that BRIT'N Bricks makes, and also builds like this, because they're getting fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Also, put your notifications on to all so you don't miss a thing. I'm Sean from BRIT'N Bricks. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.